After resetting your PC, Windows keeps an old system folder taking up 100 GB. Here is how safely delete it in 2026. Just close tab here and press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type clean mgr and click on OK. And now as you can see there is no system files having in this list. Select clean up system files option and this will find the files as you can see previous Windows installations. Once this loads complete, check all these options and you can able to see previous Windows installation. In my case 80 GB. Everything you need to check in this list and select OK option and select delete files option. And this is the safest way to remove the old Windows folder and instantly recover up to 100 GB storage in 2026. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.